Asia Chanel, and I'm going to be coming at you guys with a life update. So yeah, we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna hop right into the life update. It's gonna be kind of like a life update, also a postpartum type of intertwine. If you hear any extra noises going on, you guys know that's my baby. My beautiful baby boy is 7 months now, and yeah, it's so crazy. I cannot believe he's been here for 7 months. I remember making videos when he was in my belly, and it's just beautiful. I love that he is here. He's been such a great blessing and a good addition to my family, and yeah, we're gonna just get into it. So I'm gonna just go into the postpartum part first, because let's just get that out the way. So pretty much I had the baby 7 months ago. He is nice and big. When he was born, he was 5 pounds 5 ounces. I'm not sure exactly how much he is now. He's probably like 15 or 16 pounds, somewhere in between there. He is gonna go to another doctor's appointment, but they don't have one at 7 months. He did one at 6 months, but my gosh, I really don't remember how much he weighs. But he's like somewhere along this. He is officially eating baby food. I try to puree a lot of his foods myself, so it's a lot of like organic, natural food, or I'll give him the stuff that I'm eating. I try to make sure I incorporate it and give it to him. So yeah, that's baby, and then I'll add a clip in here so you guys can see how the baby is and how big he's gotten and all of that stuff. Mimi, hello, say hello, say hello. Now he's eating these little teethers, so he's like about to make a mess. So yeah, that's about baby. Just for me, I'll say this postpartum, I think, has definitely been the most difficult, the most different. I'm definitely a whole lot older than I was when I had my first 2 babies. So I'm a lot older. I'm still recovering. I'm still trying to lose the weight. Like, I'm thick, I'm chunky, all of that stuff. Personally, I don't kind of like it. I think I'm a little bit too heavy, but it's like, you know, it is what it is. You kind of just have to embrace what you got going on, and, you know, just be blessed. Like, it could be way worse. So yeah, that's that. Sometimes I do get, but like, I get suppressed. I wouldn't say I necessarily have postpartum depression. I think I can get depressed very easily. Specifically right now, I'm just in a place that I have a whole lot of things going on. I have a lot of things I have to take care of, and I have a lot of weight on my shoulders, so it gets hard. Like, it gets hard. It gets to times that I feel like, can I really do this all? Is it really all gonna happen? How am I gonna make it happen? You know, a lot of things do rely on me. I don't have anybody really to help me as much. So I'll say, in a sense, yes, I can get depressed. I try to always overcome it, get out of that, because at the end of the day, if I'm depressed, if I'm sad, that doesn't benefit my children, and I don't want them to see their mom like that. So yeah, you know, I have to be strong, I have to be tough, I have to be a fighter, and I have to be a writer. So yeah, that's that about the whole little depression aspect. What else can I say about my postpartum in particular? Definitely, I'm going through postpartum hair loss. It fucking sucks. My hair was so nice, it's so full, it's thriving, it got a lot long. If you follow me on Instagram, you can see my hair got really long, but you can't see it now, but all in here, all of this broke off. It looks crazy, like I could cry. It broke off, it looks bad, but you know what, I'm gonna just keep treating my hair, putting my oils and taking care of my hair, doing what I gotta do so it could grow. Also, my hair is shedding so much. I don't know why it's shedding so much. I just did a protein treatment recently, but my hair is like shedding. It's like the end of my... So yeah, that's that about my whole hair loss. Everything else is pretty much back to normal. My skin is thriving. I don't really break out. It's not really much. Like, my postpartum is pretty normal besides those things that I just mentioned. So yeah, that's it for the postpartum. I'm gonna just get right into the life update part and let y'all guys know what I have going on. So in this part of the video, I'm going to be 100% transparent. I'm not hiding shit, because listen, we all grown, we all go through stuff, and I'm telling y'all, it really is what it is. So the biggest thing that I'm really going through is I'm having a lot of issues with my older 2 children's father. I don't know why me and him, for some reason, still seem to have like this big like misunderstanding. We're not getting shit right. We're not, like, we cannot come together. It's so weird. We haven't been anything for so long. I think at this point we should be able to like just co-parent and coexist. I don't know if anybody else is going through this, but like I'm just honestly tired of it. It's so annoying, and truthfully it gets to the point that I just don't even want my children to be bothered with him because I don't want to have to deal with it. And it's sad, but it is really what it is. I don't believe in like you come in their life when you want to, then they don't see you for God knows whatever, or even you treat your other children that's like not with me like you, like it's just a lot of weird shit that I don't condone. So that's one of the biggest things with that. You guys pray for us. Hopefully we can make it past it, but honestly I see it getting way worse before it gets better, and it's just really sad. Secondly, I'm still in the process of trying to move. My whole moving thing has gotten pushed all the way back because when I was working, when I went on my maternity leave, basically my old job, they like, however everything went down, they basically told me that they could not pay me. So I ended up spending so much money out of my own personal savings to take care of bills, to take care of things I needed to get for the baby, things I needed to get for my other two children. Like I just mentioned, their father wasn't really helping me out much, and it's expensive. Like they had to take the bus, Christmas, birthdays, like whatever things would come up and they would need things. So of course it was coming out of my own pockets, and I was paying for a lot of it. So I didn't get any leave. I basically wasn't getting any money. Like I used so much of my own personal savings, it's like kind of ridiculous. So now it pushed me back with the whole moving process. So now I'm like just hustling so I can move. If you guys know what's going on with inflation and all of that stuff, you know it's super expensive right now. Like everything is expensive. I live in New York. It's hella fucking expensive to just live. A 2-bedroom can be anywhere from what, $2,000 or more. Like who the fuck is paying that much money to live in somebody's, either their house? Like I'm not paying that much money to live in nobody's house. I'm sorry. At least give me a luxury building where I can kind of, you know, figure it out. So I definitely do want to go to Jersey, but the whole thing with going to Jersey is like I really would not have any help. So yeah. My new child's father, definitely, he's like trying to help me. He's like, you know, just get your license and stuff and you could just be driving. Yes guys, I don't have my license. I'm in the process of also doing that. So I just have so much going on, and it's just like, damn, how do you do it all? It's a lot. Now I just want to touch into basically my love life. So my love life, I feel like it's honestly non-existent right now. Like I don't really know what it is, and I just feel like I'm in a different phase where I'm really just trying to stay focused. And worry about like just getting myself situated and being my best me and in my best place before I focus on love. Like I really don't care to date right now. I just feel like if it's for me, it's for me. I'm not really looking for literally nobody, and it is what it is. I will be honest, I do deal with my child's father a lot, like the baby. I deal with his father a lot, but would I necessarily say we're together? No. So yeah, that's that. That's all I really have to say about love life. In terms of like friends, I feel like definitely when it comes to friends, I don't know, sometimes we can relate, but I just feel like I'm in a different part of my life. I'm in a different journey, and I'm really trying to figure out who I am, what I'm trying to do. So I do kind of relate to more people who are on the same page or interested in the same things. So yeah, but for the most part I do like spend a lot of time with either my kids or myself, which I'm okay with that. Like I just feel like you go through different phases in life, and you know, you'll be fine. Like you don't really need nobody right now. I'm good. I got them. They keep me busy. That's that. I'm like really just so dedicated into working, figure out myself, getting my finances and everything back in order, doing this move and being where I need to be, creating some great quality content, and yeah, that's it. That's it with that. I'm trying to think of what else did I want to tell you guys. Also, I want to just touch in. Boy, my babies do not want me to talk like at all. This video is about to end pretty soon because he's like in a talkative mood now because he thinks I'm talking to him. He's literally sitting like right here. He thinks I'm talking to him. But yeah, so I definitely just want to touch base on what it's like working and just balancing 3 kids. So working and having the 3 kids, I'm not gonna hold you, it's a little difficult. Like, it's a little difficult. Luckily, the type of job I do now, and my boss is extremely understanding, and it's easy for me. Also, they have a babysitter, so that helps. So it's not as hard, but I would say it's a big change, and it's a big step. For me to get glam and do all of these things, I have to get up so early. I have to even make sure they're occupied, make sure the baby sleeps, something for me to get stuff done. That's that. Work, sometimes I'm not gonna hold you, like specifically in a new job, I was looking for something where I wasn't gonna be, hi, don't do that, where I wasn't gonna be micromanaged as much, because I'm gonna be honest, I be late. Sometimes I can make it right away, but I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna put in my best A game. So that's that in terms of working. Balancing the kids, like I said, it can be a challenge. You definitely will need help if you are not like with your husband, your boyfriend, your significant other, whatever you got going on. You will definitely need help, because it's not easy. Being a parent in general is not easy, but being a parent to 3 kids is definitely, it's a challenge. But I'm up for the challenge, and I know I'm doing my thing and I'm making it happen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, this is just a life update, just letting you guys know what's going on. If I don't post all the time, then you guys know what I got going on. This is why I'm not posting, but I will be back. I will be posting way more. I'm gonna definitely try to do a vlog. I don't post vlogs as often because I feel like if I'm not really doing nothing, I personally don't like to watch vlogs when they're always in the house. But if you guys are interested in those type of vlogs, then yes, I'll do it. Like, I'm gonna start vlogging today because I have a really busy week, and I'm gonna let you guys see everything I have going on. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, knowing what's going on with my life. You know, if you really didn't care and you just being nosy, boom, here you go, you're seeing everything and you're hearing everything. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one, mamas. Stay blessed and stay safe. Later. If you wonder if I hate you,